Hello everyone, today we will be talking about something very important, which is today is very difficult to do, and it is how to activate our Windows system. I have to say that it was an easy process previously, but nowadays it's no longer an easy process, and I'll be showing you guys on how to activate your Windows easily using Set-MpPreference. So let's get started. First thing first, you're gonna have to go to this link to download the required software, which is Set-MpPreference. You're gonna go to Google Chrome and open up this link, which I have uploaded in the description. When we download the program, it will tell you definitely that this program contained virus and blocked by the browser, but you should let the program to download because it's not a virus. It is a software that will activate our Windows. That's why it is considered as a virus. When we download the software, we're gonna drag and drop it to required destination. Then we're gonna extract here. If you don't have the extraction file, you should download WinRAR to extract the file. When we have extract the file, it's ready to be installed, but we're gonna need some more steps because Windows Defender will not let our software to do his work. So we're gonna go to Windows PowerShell. As an administrator, we have to open Windows PowerShell. We're gonna come over here. Alright, Windows PowerShell. We're gonna have to right click, run as administrator. When you did this, this window will come up, and you're gonna have to disable Windows Defender by writing down this link. From set to the true. Control C. We're gonna go back to Windows PowerShell. Control V. Now we have successfully disabled Windows Defender. As we see here, it says virus protection is turned off. You should not do anything because normally we can't go through this process and disable the Windows protection normally, so we have to do it manually by using this. Now we are able to install this software. We're gonna double click and set up. Yes, we will be clicking install. When we did install the program, this shortcut will be created from the desktop. Now we're gonna hit run as administrator. Yes. Okay, after getting done with this, you're gonna have to go back to Windows PowerShell. And run it as an administrator also. We will now re-enable our Defender by copy pasting this enable Windows Defender to make it get back to the normal defending process. We're gonna paste. Now it's already done. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please let me know in the comment if you have done the process successfully.